love to share our home with our cats, but we also like a beautiful and clean home, right? Let's face reality. You hide your cat's litter box, right? Of course you do. They are always ugly. Cleaning the litter box is a hassle, and cat litter always ends up everywhere. Even when you thought the automatic litter boxes would be the solution, you had it wrong. They make loud noises. Hoopo is introducing you to the Dome litter box. It has a beautiful design, it's easy to clean, and cats love it. Lift up the cover and put it on the floor. The scoop is designed to slide easily through the litter. Use a small tray for the feces and pour them out to the right place. Even deep cleaning is done in an instant. The integrated tray captures the litter before the cat walks out. The soft pads prevent your floor from being damaged. Don't hide your scoop anymore. It completes the modern look. The closed design gives your cat privacy while it prevents you from looking at your cat's, yes, poo. Because Dome is completely hassle-free, your cat will always have a clean toilet, which makes the litter box a lot more comfortable for your cat. Your cat would be just as grateful as we are.
The V-box Large is a compact adventure world for cats. Multiple levels and lounging spots offer the opportunity to relax and play, while the long scratching pillar and space invite your cat to enjoy sharpening its claws. The V-box Large is designed in Germany and made out of high-quality MDF, laminated for a walnut look or protected with a water-based varnish coat. The large scratching post is lined with robust seagrass, while the entire construction is highly stable and easy to assemble. The V-box Large includes soft cushions with memory foam effect to give your cat a calming experience. The cushions, as well as the 2 scratching mats, can be fitted to the platforms with hook and loop tape. This makes the cushions easy to remove for swapping or washing. Furthermore, the V-box Large comes with 2 ball toys made out of rattan. Both can be clicked into place with safety closures. Vesper, real furniture for cats.
Have you ever been concerned of feeding your pet while away from home? We want to introduce our Smart Pet Feeder, a lovely pet friend, Q1, to you. Q1 helps you to take care of your pets when you are working overtime or having a business trip. Besides the physical key dispense, you can also control the device from our app. Q1 gives you a statistics report of daily and monthly feeding totals. We can also easily check the feeding status and modify it if necessary. When an incident occurs to the device, you will receive the push notice from the app immediately. No matter if it is a Wi-Fi disconnection or the food is running out. It also includes lots of great features. High precise sensor to detect the food consumption and features to calculate remaining days. From the pet machine interface physiology, we chose the most comfort degree to feed the pet in order to reduce the stress from the neck to the minimum. It also has a great dual lock system to keep food fresh and retaining the taste of pet food the way your pet likes. Ring and logo, aluminum with special coloring process. Stainless bowl, easy to clean and replace. Breathing light, Q1 will start a new life in your home. The design DNA comes from an idea of the image when a baby kitten and puppy squats down and talking to you. The design follows a docile feeling instead of being boxy. We selected the most popular color material in consumer electronic products to build the feeder with premium perceived quality. Kauffin & Co. Q1 Smart Pet Feeder. You can easily download our app from the Apple Store and Google Play.
Our prototype is available at the moment, and the product manufacturing is coming soon. Q1 will not be possible without you. We are really excited to bring the new products to you first, and thank you all for your support.